It's like strangest club ever. This is the most exclusive club. So, back here for another day of knocking stuff off the walls. And when I had ordered this dumpster for demolition, there was some discussion between my wife and my father-in-law and I if I had gotten too big of a dumpster and that we weren't going to fill it up when we demoed everything in the house. Well, this is after day one, and we're not even close to being done. So it wasn't until yesterday that we got the dumpster emptied, so we can finally start moving some of this junk. But I thought I'd talk about real quick a couple of the I don't know if I necessarily call them problems that we ran into, but it took longer than we thought to on knocking out a lot of this drywall, because it's something else. But there's like drywall, and then there's a layer. I don't know if you can see that. There's a second layer of plaster over the drywall, and as you get towards the ceiling, there's a wire mesh, a metal type of I don't know, you might say chicken wire or something. But the problem is we want to keep the ceiling because there was what looks like new blown-in insulation up there. So what we're going to have to do is beat this drywall down all around where it meets the ceiling and expose that mesh, and then cut the mesh probably with like a angle grinder or something. So that's going to slow things down. Fortunately, of course, it's only upstairs. There's just the knotty pine downstairs, so we don't got to worry about that. Back here for weekend number 2 of demolition. I don't think we're going to have as many helping hands today as we did last weekend, but yeah, I'm grateful for what people do. I know everybody's got their own schedules. You can see second dumpster is getting fuller, and I'm not super confident that we're going to get everything into this dumpster, and we're probably going to have to get a third one, which means another $750 out of the remodel budget. But that's life, I guess. We had a little issue. Tammy got so mad that she ripped the dryer vent right out of the brick wall. She almost beat me with it. And making a video with, you know, actual good lights on and my better camera, but it's been another long day. So I just want to touch on something really quick. One of the things I talked about when I started out this video series was that, you know, talk about the things that we learned. And after another, well, today's only Saturday, we got tomorrow, and I'm off the rest of the week doing more work on the house. But after another long weekend of demo, one thing I've learned: the best tool in your arsenal is good friends. And I'll tell you what, they came through again today in spades. Again, people I hadn't even met before that Casey rounded up for me, came and helped out, and just willing hands. We got so much demolition done today. And so this episode, me and Sophia decided to call SloMo, FastMo Demolition. SloMo, FastMo Demo. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so just kind of some fun stuff, but you're just going to see a whole lot more destruction. We really got a lot of good stuff pulled out today, or bad stuff, I guess, depending on how you look at it. Anyway, a lot more garbage out, another dumpster full. Probably going to need another dumpster, but that's the way it goes, I guess.